In this report, we hear that the National Drainage and Irrigation Authority has acquired an almost $60 million amphibious excavator. Chief Executive Officer Frederick Flats explains.
And I will be in the East Demerara Water Conservancy, and we're getting that under the JICA program.
Flats said the excavator will arrive and be put into commission by July.
Within another 2 months, be getting what I believe is the first amphibious excavator in Guyana. That excavator will be one that can work on land and can work in water.
The newly acquired excavator forms part of the East Demerara Water Conservancy Rehabilitation Project. Phase 2 was funded by the Japanese government's International Cooperation Agency and executed by the Ministry of Agriculture in collaboration with NDIA. For InfoHub, Stefan Gabriel.